Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your OPPO Find X9 heating while charging. So, it's completely normal if you're using fast charging. So, one way to check it, you guys can go over into the settings, and in the settings, scroll down until you guys see the battery. Here, we want to scroll down and click on charging settings at the bottom, and we need to make sure that smart rapid charging is turned off. Now this way our phone will not get warm during charging, but you also get rid of the fast charging. Now if you want to keep it enabled, then of course your phone will still get warmer while charging. And what you guys can do is go over to the battery settings, leave the charging settings and stay here. Now check for the battery usage. Here you guys can see the battery usage by app, and here if you've got an app that you don't recognize or that's taking a lot of battery, what you guys can do is, let's say, click on it and click on force stop for an example, or limit the background activity. So what you guys can do next is make sure that you're using an original charger and a cable. Sometimes other charging bricks or charging cables can make your phone heat up way more than the original charger. So make sure to keep on using original charger and avoid using the phone while it's charging. So for an example, don't play any games on it, don't watch YouTube, TikTok, or practically anything else. Just keep it, lay it on your bed, your desk, whatever, just don't use it. And what you guys can also do is remove the case to improve heat dissipation, because sometimes when you have a case, in my case I don't, but the heat can be trapped under the case and it can also cause your phone to heat up even more. Now make sure to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, and I don't mean the fridge, just the room temperature. Do not charge it in the sun, and try and not charge it in a cold, so for an example like -1 degree Celsius, because that's way too low for a battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.